Merry Meet! Today I will guide you through a simple yet powerful spell using only elemental forces. This is accessible to everyone from beginners to the experienced. This spell is best done during the waxing moon. Since it doesn't call on any planetary powers, the day of the week you perform it on does not matter. So let's dive right in. First, let's gather your materials. Really, all you need for this is a small square of paper, a pen or pencil, 4 white candles, and some Florida water or anointing oil. Florida water is what I learned to use when I learned this spell myself. Florida water is very inexpensive and easy to find on Amazon. I've put a link in the video description so that you can buy Florida water should you want some. However, there are all kinds of occult anointing oils that you can find from many different suppliers. And if you choose to use one of those oils, you may want to choose an oil that is according to your purpose, such as money draw oil, love oil, etc. If you'd like to make the diagram for your talisman more perfect, you could use a compass and a ruler. And if you'd like to add some color to your talisman, you will need some colored pencils or pens. If you're adding color to your talisman or are using colored candles, the colors that I'm using are red for fire, blue for water, yellow for air, green for earth. Start by drawing an outer circle as large as your square of paper allows, using the compass or doing it freehand. Inside that circle, draw another circle about half the diameter. Next, use a ruler to divide the large circle into 4 quadrants, or do it freehand. Label the directions for each quadrant of the circle. N for north on top, W for west on the left, S for south on the bottom, E for east to the right, Earth in the north, fire in the east, water in the south, and air in the west. These directions are not typical in most magical systems. In the intersection of the circle, you'll draw the appropriate symbol for each element which corresponds to its direction. The symbol for Earth is a triangle facing downward with a small line inside. The symbol for fire is a triangle facing upward with no line. The symbol for water is a downward facing triangle with no line inside. The symbol for air is an upward facing triangle with a small line inside. Once you've finished drawing this diagram, flip the paper over and write your petition or desire, in red ink if possible. But if all you have is pencil or black ink, that's fine. When you've finished writing your petition, sign the bottom. Today's example petition reads, "Please grant all viewers their heart's desires. Ariel." Next, anoint your talisman, either with Florida water or anointing oil, by dabbing or spraying it. Place a candle at each quadrant. As you light each candle, recite, "In the east the sun doth rise, and in the west the heaven skies. In the north the compass guides, and in the south the sea resides. Ancestral blood runs deep and true, elements bring all I pursue. My request, your heart's desire, all I seek, your sacred fire. My body's yours, your land is mine. Our waters one, our lives entwine. My life's breath, the air we share, bound within this sacred prayer." After reciting, sit and think about your desire. Remember to keep a light touch and think very gently about what you want. Just feel good, safe and certain that your desire is coming to you. Make sure to let the candles burn down and out completely, or If you're using an electronic or LED candle, leave the candles on for at least 1 hour. If you like burning incense, please feel free to burn some during this ritual. Your talisman is now empowered. Hide the talisman away somewhere safe. When your desire comes to fruition, rip it up and throw it away. Thank you so much for joining me today. Enjoy your spellcasting journey, and until next time, blessed be.